live stream, I'm just gonna be talking basically about Ethereum, uh, Apple, growth generation, and yeah, crypto and stocks. I'm not really good at live streaming. I'm trying to get used to live streaming in this format here. So my multi-stream chat has not been working. Also, I'm not sure why. All right, so right now Ethereum's at $3,260. I have 2.84 coins of Ethereum. I also have 2 shares of Apple, which I got for free. And I got 25 shares of Growth Generation. Right now, Growth Generation is running up. In general, the stock market is looking like it's bouncing. So this is the NASDAQ. This is the 4 hour. Let's go ahead and take off these little lines here. I'm gonna put this down. Right now, NASDAQ is up 1.9%. Also, the QQQ SPY is up also pretty big here. Alright, so this is my priority watch. Everything's green. Everything is green on my priority watch. This is all the main stocks I'm watching and the main crypto I'm watching. So 420 stocks, everything is green. It's insane. Wall Street bets stocks. Let's look at my watch list. I've never seen this. Alright, so we got some red here. Coca-Cola, Alamos, Gold is red, Kroger, Pfizer, Lockheed Martin, Amazon. All right, let's go into, let's look at Ethereum real quick. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm multi-streaming right now. I'm streaming on Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube. My main platform is YouTube, but I'm not sure why my multi-stream never works. It's very discouraging. I do have a Discord now. Venture Warriors Discord. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to join. I have 20 members so far. It was created for like-minded individuals to come together and talk about crypto and stocks. I show all my profit and losses and stuff, so I'm very transparent. I'm not trying to be a guru or nothing. I'm just like trading stuff and just showing y'all what I'm doing, trading and trying to flip numbers and stuff like that. So trying to learn different liquid assets. All right, so this is the Ethereum chart. This is a 4-hour chart. Here, let's go ahead and draw some support here. It's not that one. There. Major support. around 2,400 for Ethereum. Beautiful chart. Look at that beautiful, massive run up. Dang, this is amazing. Yeah, I first started getting in it. I got in Ethereum at 2,800 for the first time. Then from there, I started accumulating upwards. Let me see. Where was it? It was around here. Okay, so I started getting in here. I bought some here, and then it waited a little bit, fell. Bought some here. I had 2.3. No, I had 2.2. Then I tried to trade. I fumbled. I tried to trade. I tried to sell. Where was it? No, it was over here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Where is it? Alright, so right here. I try to sell. I figured it was gonna go down. I was expecting it to go down massively, capitulate. So I sold here. I had 2.2 coins sold here. It fell. I waited, right? And then it ran up right here. So when it ran up, I literally I didn't expect that. I thought I was gonna capitulate right first, so it didn't. So it ran up right here, and then I FOMO'd. I guess it's like FOMO, I guess, because I didn't want to miss the rally, right? So I bought back in here. The two was like 2.1 or two coins, cause so bought in, and then it fell here, and as it was falling here, I started buying. Now I have 2.84 ETH on Webull. Let's look at my profit and losses chart. Here it is. Alright, so that's my profit and losses chart. Started falling here. Sold. Got back in. It fell some more. When I started hitting the red, I started buying. So on the way down, started buying. And on the way up, still buying. And now I kind of paused my buying. I bought Grow Generation. I will get up to three ETH, but I'm gonna wait for another drop, fast 10% drop, and then I'll buy into it. Buy in my other 300. 300. Buy in my the rest of the 3 ETH. What I am planning to get back into is IIPR, which is a REIT. Here it is. This one has a dividend of $6 per share. I love this REIT here. In 5 years, it's up 1,000%. The past year, IPR is down 10%. Past 3 months, down 31%. Past month, down 13%. Past week, down 2.4%. So, yeah, so I've made $160 off of IIPR. Did a swing trade. I gotta mute my Facebook a bit. Yeah, Flo, if you're there, can you type something, man? Let me take off. Let me see if you can type something to see if my multi-stream works. Let me take this off real quick. Let me message him. I'll tell him, can you type in my multi-stream? Oh, can you type in the stream chat so I can see if it works? Yeah, because my multi-stream has not been working. I'm not sure why. It's crazy. Alright, let's look at Bitcoin. Alright, so let's clean up all this stuff here. Yeah, I gotta get used to this live streaming because it's not. It's very new to me, so there's gonna be a lot of dead air and stuff like that. All right, so this is the Bitcoin chart. Let's draw. Okay, this is the support line right there. Just like Ethereum. It's just resistance. Alright, so this one's gonna be greenish for support. Okay. It's 10-minute chart. Four-hour chart. Yeah, the all-time highs for Bitcoin is 69,000 here on Webull. And for Ethereum, it's 44,800, I believe. Yeah. 4,871. Yeah. The hell? This is the Adventure Warriors Discord. If you want to join, let me know. I'll leave a link in the description. Basically, what I'm trying to do is build a temple of knowledge. I'm just trying to store knowledge over time and have a place to chat with the viewers and for y'all to chat with each other. Like-minded people chat with each other over stocks and crypto and other finances. You know, nothing here is financial advice, as y'all know. You know. This is right now. There's 20 people in this Discord. So this is the first time I show the Discord here on the YouTube channel. And I would love for whoever's watching this video to join. If you would like to join. Also hit the subscribe button here. I have 420 subscribers. Let's get that number up. Also hit the like button, please. Alright, so let's look at Grow Generation. Grow Generation. Alright, so real quick. Oh, who's this? Hot Wings. Hot Wings is tight. Let's see what's up with Hot Wings. Okay. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Alright. Alright, so this is the Grow Generation chart. Grow Generation has an all-time high of $69.50. It's so high. I've been swing trading Grow Generation for a while. I am actually down. Let's see how much I'm down on Grow Generation. Alright, so I'm down $170 on Grow Generation. As you can see here, for that particular stock. And that was let's look at the buys and all that. Let's see. Alright, so this is the trading records for year 2020. So you can see here I've been swing trading and all that. Grow Generation since it's been like $22, $33, $40. And then I stopped. Started paying attention to other things. Now it's sitting at almost $9. And it's looking amazing. So to me, this is accumulation. This is screaming accumulation right now for me. Grow Generation. So I'm gonna be accumulating Grow Generation and also IIPR. I want to generate cash flow to this portfolio, so I'm gonna be buying IIPR over the long run, dollar cost averaging for over the long run. Let's look at IIPR. Alright, so IIPR is a real estate investment trust. They are required to pay 90% of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. And this thing moves like a growth stock. So I love it. I love the way this thing moves. So it has a all-time high of $288. So yeah, I'm guessing my multi-stream's not working because I don't know what I gotta do to fix it. Let me take this off. So I'm asking my friend if he typed in the chat, but I think he did. It's not work. It doesn't show. It's very weird. Not sure what's happening. All right, so this is IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. It is a real estate investment trust. It's basically leases. It's the landlords of the MSOs. It appeared on my end. I did. It appeared on my end. That's crazy, man. Why does my multi-stream don't work? Why doesn't that work? That's weird. Yeah, I may have to get new streaming software because my multi-stream never works. Not sure why. My multi-stream chat, to be more specific. IIPR. IIPR. Alright, so this is IIPR. Look at the 4 hour. Real estate has gone up dramatically, so this stock, in my opinion, shouldn't be this low. I see nothing but upside for IIPR. It has a dividend of 3.11%. So it's $6 per share. Dang, I gotta meet my Facebook and stuff. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, I'm very new at streaming, and I gotta mute all my stuff because I'm getting calls and stuff. It's not good. All right, so the free float for IIPR is 23.4 million. Its biggest shareholder is BlackRock, which owns, I think it's the biggest money management firm in the whole world, if I'm not mistaken. They own 17% of IIPR. But yeah, this thing spits out a dividend, so I would love to keep on buying and buying. And as it goes up, just buy on the way up and accumulate that dividend and reinvest the dividend back into the stock. Create compounding interest with this baby right here. That's what I want to do. Right now, Ethereum is 94% of my portfolio. Yeah, so Ethereum is 94% of my portfolio. These are the buys, my Ethereum buys. I've been buying the dip. It's been dipping and dipping and dipping. I've been buying and buying, as you can see here. Those are the dates. Right there's where I fumbled it. I try to sell, and then have it drop like 15% and buy back in for more coins, more ETH. But I sold, it ran up, I bought back in, and then it fell. So I lost a little bit, like 1.5% or something. And then on the way down, just went up and then went back down and started buying. I've just been buying. So I went from having 2.2 to having 2.8 right now. I have 2.8 ETH. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and read this real quick. Might as well. ETH2 is no more after Ethereum Foundation ditches name and rebrand. All right, so everybody talks about Ethereum 2. Well, the developers don't want to call it Ethereum 2 anymore. Let's go ahead and read this. The Ethereum Foundation has removed all references to ETH1 and ETH2 in favor of calling the original blockchain the execution layer and the upgraded proof of stake blockchain the consensus layer. Well, yeah. The upgraded proof of stake chain, the consensus layer. Ethereum's long-awaited transition from a proof-of-work mining model to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism is expected to go live in either the second or third quarter of this year. Announcing the change, the foundation cited a number of rationales, including a broken mental model for new users, scam prevention, inclusivity, and staking clarity. In a Monday blog post, the Ethereum Foundation noted that the branding of ETH2 failed to concisely capture what was happening to the network via its series of upgrades. This is a quote. One major problem with the ETH2 branding is that it creates a broken mental model for new users of Ethereum. They intuitively think that ETH1 comes first and ETH2 comes after, or that ETH1 ceases to exist once ETH2 exists. Yeah, so damn fly, look at that. Just realized I was on mute. All right, so in the past month, my portfolio has moved up $412. Past 3 months, it's down $3,884. Past 6 months, it's down $661. Year to date, it's down $875. And altogether, it's down $202. Every time my portfolio has gone into the red, I've bought heavily. So as it goes down to deep into the red, I buy. I guess real quick, I'll just go over this real quick. What is Ethereum, and then I'll get off because I want to look into how I can fix the multi-stream. That's so discouraging not to have multi-stream work. Like multi-stream chat, it's crazy. What the hell? What's happening? I don't know. All right, so what is Ethereum? All right, okay. Ethereum is a technology that lets you send cryptocurrency to anyone for a small fee. It also powers applications that everyone can use and no one can take down. All right, so this is Ethereum.org, and yeah, so I just want to like skim through, give you an idea if you don't know what Ethereum is. All right, so it's the world's programmable blockchain. Ethereum builds on Bitcoin's innovation with some big differences. Both let you use digital money without payment providers or banks, but Ethereum is programmable, so you can also use it for lots of different digital assets, even Bitcoin. This also means Ethereum is for more than payments. It's a marketplace of financial services, games, and apps that can't steal your data or censor you. So step into the bazaar and give it a try. All right, so all right, so here's some Ethereum use cases. It says here, Ethereum has led to the creation of new products and services that can improve different areas of our lives. We're still in the early stages, but there's a lot to be excited about. Decentralized finance, a more open financial system that gives you more control over your money and unlocks new possibilities. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, a way to represent unique items as Ethereum assets that can be traded, used as a proof of ownership, and create new opportunities for creators. Decentralized autonomous organizations, a new way to collaborate and set up online communities with shared goals and pooled funds. Yeah, so let's look at what else. Where was it? All right, so this page is called Ultrasound Money, basically. All right, what people expect, people that are holding Ethereum expect, we expect Ethereum to become deflationary over time once the merge comes with the consensus layer. So if you simulate the merge here, so basically we're in the merge right now. Ethereum would be negative 2% issuance. The coin will be negative 2%, so it'll be burning more ether than it's issuing. Okay, so from my understanding, every time, or it says here burn, right? So every time it says it's over 2 ETH, from my understanding, it's a deflationary block. So this should be a deflationary block. This should be a deflationary block, and so on and so on. And as people keep on transacting, and as the network builds and builds, it'll cause more ETH to burn. But without the merge, Ethereum is inflationary. The merge should be coming this year, probably in the middle of the year. But with Ethereum, there's always deadlines that they never meet. They always push back and push back. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'm gonna try to figure out what the hell's wrong with the multi-stream chat. I'm gonna try to figure out how I can